The recipes page is where you can enter your favorite personal recipes or recipes you find online. Each recipe will be analyzed, giving you complete nutrition information. The recipe and its analysis will be saved in your My Recipe library and available to add to your My Menu to help you further personalize your meal plan. To get started, click the Recipe Analyzer button. Then choose the recipe you'd like to analyze, either one of your own recipes or a recipe you found online. Let's say you want to know more about your favorite afternoon snack, a date shake. Simply click on the Analyze My Recipe button and enter the recipe name, source of recipe, prep time, cooking time, and total time required. You'll also need to let us know how many servings the recipe will make and how many servings you plan to eat. Remember, the analysis will be based on the number of servings you plan to eat. Now begin adding the list of ingredients. Enter each ingredient in the search box and select from the drop-down menu. Then select the amount and type of the ingredient. If the ingredient you are adding requires a description like frozen, chopping, or mincing, add the instructions here. Then save and continue adding all of the recipe's ingredients. Next, add the instructions for the recipe. Now you are ready to click Analyze Recipe. Your recipe will be saved to your My Recipe library, and you will be asked to agree to use one of your credits. Recipes Analyze report will provide you with nutrient information including calories, carbs, proteins, fats, as well as vitamins and minerals present in the recipe, empowering you to make informed choices about your eating goals. To enter another of your favorite recipes, use the button Analyze Another at the bottom of the page to return to the recipe card. Another option is to analyze a recipe you found online. Click the back button, and this time, select Analyze Online Recipe. Then copy and paste the recipe's URL into the search box. The how-to animation provides an illustration of the steps. Please note, the functionality of this feature will be coming soon. The recipe's information will be populated for you automatically. To begin, modify the recipe servings and the amount you plan to eat, if needed. You can then edit ingredients, delete them, or add additional ingredients. When you have completed all of your edits, click Analyze Recipe to view the Recipe Analyze report. To view the recipes we've entered, navigate to the Recipes library by clicking on the back button. Then open the My Recipe library. You'll find the recipes we have entered along with 2 whole body reset recipes already included to help you get started. Open a recipe card, and from here you have the option to view the nutrient analysis and add it to your weekly menu using the plus Add to Your Meal button. With 25 credits to use each month, enjoy adding favorite family recipes or discover inspiring ideas from online recipes, and take the guesswork out of knowing their nutritional value.